CDC is changing course and now recommending every American wear masks or some kind of face covering when out in public. It's not an order, but a suggestion. WBZ's Tashanea Whitlow is live in Boston this morning with more on what led the CDC to make this decision. Tashanea?
Well, good morning, Kate. What led the CDC to make this decision is new evidence that shows those without symptoms could be causing the virus to spread at an alarming rate. And now the CDC is recommending people wear a face mask when they go out in public, especially in places where social distancing guidelines are hard to maintain, like in grocery stores.
The CDC is announcing additional steps Americans can take.
After weeks of saying healthy people did not need to wear masks, the CDC is now recommending all Americans wear face coverings in public.
The CDC is recommending that Americans wear a basic cloth or fabric mask. They can be either purchased online or simply made at home.
That saves valuable medical-grade masks for those working on the front line in the COVID-19 crisis. President Trump made sure to emphasize the CDC is only making a recommendation.
This is voluntary. I don't think I'm going to be doing it.
What has changed in our recommendation? Well, it's important to know that we now know from recent studies that a significant portion of individuals with coronavirus lack symptoms. They're what we call asymptomatic. This means that the virus can spread between people interacting in close proximity.
The Surgeon General says the new recommendation does not mean social distancing guidelines can be ignored. This is just an added barrier to protect Americans.
It is critical, and the President mentioned this, the Vice President mentioned this. It's critical to emphasize that maintaining 6 feet of social distancing remains key to slowing the spread of the virus.
For folks like Cade Collin, who recently had surgery to remove his spleen, he hopes to see more people wearing masks to protect people like him.
I understand why you wouldn't, but you're putting other people at risk.
The CDC says you can make your own face covering by using an old t-shirt or a bandana. They recommend you make sure your hands are washed before and after you remove your mask. For now, live in Boston, Tashanea Whitlow for WBZ News This Morning.